Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset keyboard settings to default in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match will appear in this window. Okay, and once it's here, please click on Open option to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings. Once the settings is now ready, please directly proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the options. Please locate for the option called accessibility. Now the accessibility is being composed of three components or categories, and these are vision, hearing, and interaction. So we need to proceed to the interaction, and under the interaction, you can see there keyboard. Please click on it, and the moment you click on it, you would be able to see this one. So all you need to do is you need to ensure that all of these options are off. Okay? All of these options are off. This one. Once you're good, navigate to the left side of that and proceed to time and language. And here the time and language, go with language and region. And from here you would be able to see an option called add a language. Please click on it, and the default setting for keyboard is having an English for US as the default language or the official language for the keyboard. So all you need to do is you need to type for English space US. In my case, it's not showing since I have already set it as my official language for my keyboard. But if you, in your case, you would like to reset it, just type for English US and go with next. Okay, and once you're good, once you have click on next, it will start on the downloading here. You just have to make sure that you are connected to one internet before you perform with this tab. Okay? So once you have downloaded it, just have to click the three dots there. For example, this is a three dots. You would be able to see a move up option or icon. Just click on it and it will be set as your official language or the default language for your keyboard. Once you're good, close the window, navigate to the start icon, proceed to your power menu options and click on restart. The moment you've restarted it, you would be able to reset the keyboard settings to the default settings in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.